Namaste. I am JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So, today's our topic is definition, classification, properties and text of different identification of alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids, tannins, volatile oils and resin. So let's start with the topic. Let's start from the alkaloids. Alkaloids. Alkaloids is defined as organic products of natural or synthetic origin which are basic in nature and condition one or more nitrogen atoms, normally of heterocyclic nature, and possess specific physiological action on the human and animal body when used in small quantities. Physical properties. Physical properties like colorless, crystalline, solid with the sharp melting point. Some alkaloids are amorphous gum, while others like choline, nicotine are liquid in nature. Some alkaloids are color in nature. Betadine show red color, berberine show yellow color. Small salt of the most alkaloids are soluble in water. Free bases are insoluble in water and their salt are very sparely soluble in organic solvents. So this is the physical properties. Carry on the physical properties like quaternary bases are only water soluble. Pseudo and protoalkaloids are given higher solubility in water. Solubility and salt of alkaloids are useful in pharmaceutical industry for the extraction. They give color precipitate with the halogenated compound. Come toward the chemical properties. Basic in nature, basic in reaction. When we react with another compound, it will give the basic reaction. Turns to be neutral or acidic when adjacent functional groups are electron withdrawing like amide group. Salt formation with the inorganic acid. Decomposition during their storage. Contain one or more number natural form exist in the natural form, exist either in the free state as amide or as salt with the acid of alkaline anoxides. Identification of alkaloids. The different reagents are drag and drop reagents. Potassium with iodine solution giving the reddish brown precipitate. Mayer's reagent, potassium muric iodine solution, give the cream colored precipitate. Wagner reagents, iodine potassium iodine solution, yielding reddish brown precipitate. Hager reagent, give yellow precipitate with the picric acid. Type of alkaloids, just like there are many type of alkaloids are there. Biosynthetic classification, chemical classification, taxonomical classification and pharmacological classification. When chemical classification, true alkaloids, I have already told in the last lecture. True alkaloids, protoalkaloids, pseudoalkaloids. Biosynthetic classification like indole alkaloids, piperidine alkaloids, imidazole alkaloids, phenylethyl amine alkaloids. Chemical classification, true alkaloids on the basis of heterocyclic ring. They are known as the heterocyclic alkaloids and they are toxic in nature. They contain heterocyclic nitrogen which is derived from the amino acid. They are in basic in nature. Pseudoalkaloids, they induce mainly steroids and terpenoids, alkaloids and purines. They are not derived from the amino acids. Example, caffeine, carnosine. Protoalkaloids, they are also known as biological amines and amino alkaloids. They are simple amines in which the nitrogen is not a heterocyclic ring, colchicine, ephedrine. So next is Our next is glycosides. Glycosides, they are organic compounds occurring most abundantly in plants that yield sugar, non-sugar substances on enzymes or acidic hydrolysis. Sugar part called glycone, non-sugar part called aglycone. Glycoside converted into the glycone and aglycone. Glycosides are named on the basis of source of glycosides ending with the ending with the ion in, like digoxin, salicin, pronacin. This is the example of glycoside. Glycosides are acetals or sugar ether formed with the interaction of OH group. Each aglycone and glycone part with the glues of water molecules. Biologically, glycoside involved in the regularly protective sanitary function in plants. In chemistry, stereochemistry, two types of glycosides are alpha glycoside, beta glycoside. This both glycosides are obtained by passing dry hydrogen chloride to methyl alcohol. In sugar, glucose called glucosides and other sugar called glycosides. Properties like colorless, crystalline and amorphous solids, soluble in water and alcohol, insoluble in ether and chloroform, optically active, usually laboratory. And then classification of the glycosides. Glycosides can be classified as per the different way on the basis of the following, like nature of sugar, therapeutic action, glycosidic linkage, chemical nature of the aglycone. Based on the nature of the sugar, like according to the nature of glycone part present is called glucoside, pentose if the glucose is present, pentoside, ramonoside, tardic glycoside, digitalose. Okay. On the basis of therapeutic action, cardiotonic glycoside, example like digitalis, strophanthus, laxative like senna, cascara, aloe, anti-ulcers like liquorice, anti-inflammatory like Diascora, liquorice, expectorant like Quinlia, liquorice, brain tonic like ginseng. So this is the glycosides. There are the different types. C glycosides on the based of the aglycone and the glycone part. C glycoside. In this glycoside, sugar is directly attached to the carbon atom. Glycone OH plus Hc plus aglycone gives glycone C-aglycone plus water is also there. This glycoside not hydrolyzed by heating with acidic, with acids, alkalis, but hydrolyzed with FeCl2 or FeCl3. Anthraquinone glycosides such as cascarolides from cascara, alanine from aloe. O-glycosides. In this type of glycoside, sugar is combined with the phenol and OH group of aglycone, glycone OH, OH aglycone, glycone OH. So H2O. The hydrolysis of treatment with acid or alkalines into the aglycone and sugar called senna and rurab. As glycoside in this S from the SH group of aglycone is combined with the sugar containing OH group, glycone, OH HS aglycone gives glycone S aglycone OH H2O. Example, Syngent from the black mustard. N-glycoside. In this glycoside, N from NH group of aglycone is attached to the sugar containing OH group. Glycone OH NH aglycone gives the glycone and glycon H2O. Nucleoside and some enzymes are the example. Based on the chemical nature of a glycon, anthracene glycoside, example like senna, alloy, rhubarb, cascara, specific tests like Bromtrager test, like the powder drug is taken and extracted with the water, filter them and extract them. Made alkaline with the caustic soda or amino. Aqueous layer shown on the pink and red color or violet color. Next test is steroidal and cardiac glycoside test. Sterol and cardiac glycoside. A-glycol, part of this glycoside are steroidal moiety. They are either C23 and C24 due to either 5 or 6 member lactone green respectively. Two type of cardiac glycoside, bufadienolides and cardinolides. Specific test for this cardinols. This is Bulger test, in which the powder drug plus sodium picrate give the yellow to orange color. Legal test, powder pyridine Na plus sodium nitroprusside. Shake it very well and filter that. Filter make the alkaline and pink to red in color. Next is bufadienolides. Test, specific test is Lieberman Hart test, in which CaCl3 is added, equal volume of acetic anhydride is also added, 1 to 2 drops of concentric H2SO4 is added and gives the green color. Desoxy sugar killer Killarney test, drug glacial acetic acid plus drop of FeCl3 plus add H2SO4, which form lower layer. Reddish brown color at the junction of two liquid and upper layer become the bluish green color. Saponin glycosides. In this glycosides of A-glycon, part shows the soap like and froth like effect. Two type of glycoside, steroidal saponins, tetracycline saponin, Descora and Satavari. Pentacyclic saponins, Sarsaparilla, Liquorice, Quilla, Seneca, Brahmi. Specific tests like form test, hemolytic test. Form test, drug powder plus water plus shake it properly, give the foam production. Hemolytic test, production powder sugar solution plus blood sample, give the hemolysis of the RBC. These are the specific tests for different glycosides. Next we come toward the volatile oil. Volatile oil is a collective term of implying the preparation of vegetable and animal extract according to the rules of the art, rectification and separation. Chemistry of the volatile oil, the evaporated when exposed to the air at the temperature of 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, so that it is called the ethereal oil. They represent essence or active constituent of the plant, hence they are also known as essential oil. Chemically, they are derived from the terpene and their oxygenated compound. Properties like diffusing readily into the RT, solution of alcohol, ether and other organic solvents, slightly miscible with the water, lighter than the water. Most of them are optically active, detected by small reaction, liable to the deterioration, especially re-intensification, peroxide formation, solid essential oil and liquid essential oil. There are some tests like thin selection plus alcoholic solution of Sudan give the red color, thin sections and plus drop of tincture alkane give the red color. Separate oil from the distillate and perform following tests like filter paper is not permanently stained by the volatile oil. Solubility test, volatile oil are soluble in alcohol, ether and insoluble in the water. There are two Types: identically physical and chemical characteristics. Physical characteristics like boiling point, refractive index, optical rotation, etc. Chemical characteristics under the method of analysis such as UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, HPLC and PLC. Alcohol volatile oil, aldehyde volatile oil, ester volatile oil, hydrocarbon volatile oil. Then terpene, found in the volatile oil of plant and animal origin. Colorless liquid or solids are the reagent, smell and flavors, insoluble in water, soluble in alcohol and organic solvents, readily volatile in the steam, oxidized by oxidizing reagent, uses for perfume, cosmetic soaps, therapeutically used, antiseptics, stimulant, carminative, diuretics, analgesics, anti-rheumatics, insect repellent, insecticide, pesticides and deodorants. These are the terpenoids. Thank you so much. If you have any query, just comment below.